1,000 rides, maybe 2 people fall out while we're taking pictures.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. That's why I could grab a hold.
She's going to be number 3.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
If she was to fall in,
You're going after her.
well, I'll get her back out, but you're going to have to ride home with her because she's going to smell like a sewer ditch. Because our mud is very nasty.
Nasty, yeah.
It's from decaying leaves.
Yeah.
It's nothing right. It's organic matter decaying.
Yeah.
About 14 foot.
Whoa, that's
This much water, but the rest, garbage.
Oh, mud.
Yeah.
Garbage.
No.
But what's exciting is the
Lekker
leeches.
zitten.
Or you
Come
call
on, Nettie.
Blue eagle, bloodsuckers.
Bloed